AI in 2025. The four pillars of transformation. Artificial intelligence has become an everyday utility in 2025, much like electricity or the internet. Its impact is no longer just hypothetical or limited to high-tech labs. It is pervasive, powerful, and rapidly transforming how society operates. As we look at AI today, we can understand its reach through four major pillars that define its influence: work and productivity, creativity and content, governance and ethics, and personal empowerment. In the domain of work and productivity, AI has evolved from automating repetitive tasks to becoming a strategic partner in decision-making. Office workers now routinely collaborate with AI assistants that summarize meetings in real time, suggest next steps, and even analyze emotional tone to flag potential miscommunications. In logistics, adaptive AI routes shipments dynamically, based on weather, traffic, and real-time demand. Factories operate with hybrid teams of humans and machines. AI handles coordination and forecasting, while humans focus on oversight and innovation. One of the biggest leaps in 2025 is AI-powered job coaching. These systems analyze your performance metrics, emails, meetings, and interactions to provide personalized suggestions to improve output and reduce burnout. The line between manager and machine is increasingly blurred as AI takes a central role in operational efficiency. Meanwhile, creativity and content has undergone a renaissance through generative AI. In 2025, authors co-write novels with language models, musicians collaborate with AI to generate melodies, and podcasters like you use AI to help script, pace, and even voice modulate for stylistic consistency. What makes this era unique is not AI replacing creativity, but amplifying it. Artists feed their styles into models to generate infinite variations. Filmmakers build entire short films from text prompts and visual sketches. Education and entertainment merge in edutainment podcasts, where AI generates responsive dialogue trees to simulate live conversations. These tools have democratized storytelling. Anyone with an idea and access can now produce content that once required a studio. Even newsrooms integrate AI to write early drafts, create data visualizations, and spot story patterns before they trend. The third transformation lies in governance and ethics, where the challenge of AI has become a central political issue. In 2025, global agreements are being drafted around algorithmic transparency and digital personhood. Countries are forming AI regulatory councils to enforce ethical boundaries, particularly around deepfakes, bias in decision-making algorithms, and surveillance systems. Schools now teach AI literacy as early as the 5th grade, with students learning how models are trained, where they fail, and how to detect manipulation. Companies are legally required to disclose when a user is interacting with AI instead of a human, and consumers have access to audit logs showing how decisions were made. Debates around rights for sentient or quasi-sentient systems have sparked global protests and philosophical reckoning. This decade will define what it means to coexist with intelligence we've designed but don't fully understand. Finally, in the realm of personal empowerment, AI is deeply woven into daily life, helping people live smarter and healthier. Wearable devices use AI to give real-time health advice, predict mood shifts, and prevent mental health crises. Language barriers are practically gone. Wearables translate conversations in real time, complete with emotional nuance. AI life planners manage your schedule, automate mundane tasks, and even nudge you toward long-term goals with behavioral science techniques. For people with disabilities, AI opens up entirely new worlds. Voice-driven apps, eye-tracking interfaces, and neural input devices let users interact with tech more naturally than ever before. This intimate use of AI is creating a future where personalization is not a luxury, but a default. It's not about making people more productive, it's about enhancing human potential. In 2025, artificial intelligence is not just a tool, it is a mirror, a collaborator, a watchdog, and a coach. Its presence is shaping the infrastructure of our future society, not in abstract terms, but in deeply personal and visible ways.